Now, any change in velocity is always associated, it involves acceleration. When the object is falling freely, that is traveling under the effect of gravitational force of Earth. So this acceleration is known as the acceleration due to gravity, and that is denoted by small g. According to Newton's second law, we have force as product of mass and acceleration. Here the force is gravitational force, mass is the mass of the object, and the acceleration is replaced by small g. So we are getting that equation as F equals to m into g. From Newton's universal law of gravitation, we are having the formula of force is equals to capital G into capital M into small m divided by d square. Now both the equations are for force, gravitational force. So we can equate these two equations and we can write it like this. Small m, that is mass of the object, is cancelled from both the sides. So we are getting the expression for small g as g m upon d square. We know that this d is for the distance between two objects. Now if the object is near the surface of the earth, this distance can be taken as the radius of the earth. Even if the object is at some height from the surface, compared to the radius of the earth, that distance from the surface to the object is negligible. And as a result, we can write this expression as capital G into capital M upon capital R square. Now this equation, this mathematical expression for small g is changing from planet to planet as the mass of the planet and radius of the planet will change. For Earth, if we are calculating the value, then approximately we are getting 9.8 meter per second square. If we are seeing the units of this, so for capital G we are having unit Newton into meter square upon kg square. For mass the unit is kg, and for distance the unit is meter square. By cancelling this we are getting n upon kg. But we know that Newton is once again kg into meter per second square. So again that kg will be cancelled by this kg and meter per second square is remaining. That is the proof that we are having the quantity is acceleration. This value of small g is changing on Earth also, because we are knowing that Earth is not a perfect sphere. The radius at the equator and at the pole is having slight difference, slight variation. The composition of mass of Earth is also not constant everywhere. Somewhere we are having oceans, mountains, deserts. So the mass of the Earth is also varies little bit, and as a result the value of small g is changing from place to place on the Earth also.